everyone, if you're looking for the perfect fuel-efficient vehicle, well then check out this 2014 Honda Accord. It has a sunroof, leather heated seats, navigation, and more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lake Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this silver exterior color. You have your Honda badge there in the middle of your grille with some chrome outlining, and then you have your headlamps and fog lamps below that. This is equipped with a 2.4 liter inline-4 engine, which can get you about 36 miles to the gallon on the highway, so that'll really save you at the pump. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. Your side mirrors have indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated. All right, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray leather seats. They are heated, have that perforated insert in the middle, and they're power adjustable with memory settings on your driver's side. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your media controls, hands-free voice communication controls, and your cruise controls all there on the front. Then looking at your media center, so you have your screen up there that has all of your different media options, and then the one below is a touch screen for your radio options. So let's look at the one up top. You have your navigation up there, your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, all of your info stuff right there, and then you also have your audio options as well with your presets. And then down below that you have your CD insert there, and then again your touch screen for your radio options, so if you want to listen to your phone or Sirius XM radio, if you subscribe to that, then you have all of those options right there. So below that you have your climate controls, which are dual, so you can have different settings right there, and then you have your controls for that media center up top right here. Below that you have a 12-volt USB port and an aux port, and then here are your buttons for your heated seats, and then when this is in reverse you have a backup camera. So let's take a look up there. You also have different views that you can use, so if you want to have more of a fisheye view or more of a straight on view, you can change that. So you have two cup holders there, and then looking into the center console you have another 12-volt, and looking up you have your sunroof button, so let some nice light and air inside of this vehicle. Let's take a look at the back seats. Okay, so taking a look in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have your cup holder armrest that has 2 cup holders in it. And then coming around the back, you have a little bit of a spoiler back there, your LED tail lamps, and your Accord badging. So let's take a look into this trunk. You have a power trunk on your key fob, and have some nice mats in the back to protect that trunk. Tons of room back there, so this could be a great college car, first car, or just family car because it has so many great features like that sunroof, your heated seats, that media center, plus that amazing fuel efficiency. So if you want to see this Honda or any of our other sedans, visit our website WowWoodys.com or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lake Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.